Are you looking for the best 3D printers in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best 3D printers. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Comgrow Creality Ender 3v3C 3D printer. The Comgrow Creality Ender 3v3C sets a new baseline for cheap 3D printing, blending a familiar form with a beginner-friendly fully automatic bed leveling and self-offsetting to give effortlessly perfect first layers. Its standard features run to a 220x220x250mm build volume, with a Sprite dual-gear direct extruder feeding filament to a hot end that tops out at 260 degrees Celsius. Printing through the full height is served by dual Z-axis motors, ensuring stability throughout. In our time printing with the Ender 3v3C, we've found it to be a little workhorse. While it lacks the flashier features and firmware of today's pricier machines, it runs Marlin firmware out of the box. It offers a fuss-free printing experience that's a clear evolution on similar machines from previous years. The removable magnetic print bed can be a bit fussy to return to position after a print, and there's no filament sensor, which is an odd omission these days, even at this price point. But all in all, a simple yet refined cheap 3D printer. Up next in the fourth place is the Dremel 3D4501 DigiLab 3D45 award-winning 3D printer. This Dremel model is a favorite among not only professionals, but consumers as well. This model is popular because of its high-speed printing capabilities and the details that it can print. While it is one of the pricier models included here, it's a bargain for those who are looking for superior print quality. The printer has other perks. It's quiet and easy to use. Print from USB, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, or USB thumb drive. This is not an entry-level option, but it's a solid choice for those looking to upgrade their 3D printer or invest in quality from the outset. The third product on our list is the Comgrow official Creality Ender 3v2 Neo 3D printer. The Creality Ender 3v2 Neo is the 2022 iteration of Creality's popular Ender 3 series of 3D printers. Building upon the success of the Ender 3v2, the V2 Neo ships with a number of improvements and upgrades at nearly the same price, aiming to compete with other new entries in the budget 3D printer space, such as the Anycubic Cobra. But does this new Ender 3 model stack up against the growing competition? And is it worth the price premium over other Ender 3 models? In this review, we'll take a look at how to assemble the Ender 3v2 Neo, whether the Ender 3v2 Neo is easy to use, and the overall print quality you can expect. We'll then discuss our recommendations to help you decide whether the Ender 3v2 Neo is a good fit for you, whether this is your first 3D printer or your 10th. Second on our list is the MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer. I had been ecstatic for quite some time to get a MakerBot Replicator 2 4th generation desktop 3D printer from everything that I've read. What was initially holding me back was the high price, maintenance necessary to keep up optimal printing, and just a couple of negative reviews that I read even though the overall view was positive. Given that, my purchase of this 3D printer was actually an impulse buy as I knew I had to try it out. A few days later the printer arrived at my door, and I couldn't be more happy that I finally took the plunge. At the time of this review I've been using the printer for about a week, and it's been a really great printer so far. The MakerBot Replicator 2 printer that I'm reviewing is the 4th generation. This printer is much more ideal for the typical consumer that wants good prints with a large build space, but doesn't need to spend the extra $1,500 for the 5th generation printer. Finally, the top product on our list is the Entina Mini 3D Printer's Tina 2. Tina 2 Mini 3D printer comes fully assembled for quick printing without a complex setup. The dual Z-axis design ensures stable printing, enhancing detail and precision. Features an automatic bed leveling and a flexible magnetic build plate for easy model removal, making this model ideal for beginner DIY projects. Featuring a 2.4 inches LCD screen and WayBuilder slicer software, this printer supports offline printing via microSD card. It also enables resume printing in case of unexpected power outages or if printing is stopped. Compact and lightweight at 8.3 into 8, 3 into 11, 4 and 3 kilograms, this printer is perfect for home or classroom use. With a simple knob operation and one-button filament loading, this user-friendly model makes an excellent gift for beginners and children. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.